Welcome again, my dear students. Today we will learn one more very important theorem for SSC board exam, that is property of 30 60 90 and the property of 45 45 90. Both the theorems are related to right angle triangle. Property of 30 60 90, first theorem, second theorem 45 45 90. In this we will prove some formulas, three formulas. So that will be very useful for the calculation sums. In triangle ABC, right angle triangle ABC, measuring angle A is 30, B is 90, C is 60. So in 30 60 90, opposite to 30 means BC is half of the hypotenuse. Point number 1. Point number 2, opposite to 60, that is AB. Opposite to 60, AB. It is root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. Hypotenuse means the longest side in right angle triangle. Opposite to 90 also you can say. And in 45 45 90, these both are 45 45. In triangle PQR, PQ and QR are the opposite side of 45 degree. That is 1 by root 2 time of the hypotenuse. So first we will prove this. In right angle triangle ABC, AB is equal to BC. Both are equal because isosceles triangle, measuring angle A, measuring angle C are 45 45. Now we will prove AB or BC is equal to 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse, that is AC, the longest side. So triangle ABC is right angle triangle given. Therefore, by Pythagoras, AB square BC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. So AB is equal to BC, it is given. Therefore, substitute AB square because BC is equal to AB. From second and third. Fifth, this is 2 times, so this is 2 AB square is equal to AC square. Now divide by 2. Here by adding. Now take square root, so AB exactly is equal to BC. Square root of AB square is AB. AC square is equal to AC, and square root of 2 means root. By taking square root. Like that you can prove AB or BC both are equal because isosceles triangle and it is a right angle triangle. So that is 1 by root 2 of hypotenuse, or hypotenuse divided by root 2, that also you can see. Now next 30 60 90. First we will prove opposite to 30 is half of the hypotenuse. Opposite to 30, here I have taken ABC. A is 30, B is 96 60. Opposite to 30 side means BC is half of the hypotenuse, so AC. So we have to prove. So what is given? Right angle triangle ABC is given, angle C 60 given, angle A 30 given, angle B is 90, it is given. What to prove? BC means opposite to 30 is half of AC. What to prove second? Opposite to 60, opposite to 60 means AB is root 3 by 2 time of hypotenuse means AC. Do the construction. BC extend in such a way that BD is equal to BC. Now proof. In triangle ABC and triangle ABD, correct, AB is equal to AB, common. Third, BC is equal to BD, that is construction. Equal we have constructed, and AB, it is common. And fourth, you can say ABC is equal to ABD is equal to 90, because AB perpendicular to DC. So from 3, this what we can judge, which test we can judge? Triangle ABC similar congruent to triangle ABD by SAS test, SAS test, correct. Therefore measure angle C is equal to measure angle D is equal to 60 degree. CACT, congruent angle of congruent triangle. In any triangle, two angles are 60, then it is equilateral triangle. ADC is equilateral triangle. From statement 6, 8. Therefore AC is equal to DC. Why? Side of equilateral triangle. I can. Ninth one, AC. Instead of DC I can write 2BC because it is a midpoint, because B is midpoint. Or you can write simple, BC is equal to BD, that is why. Dividing by 2, so AC by 2 is equal to BC. So opposite to 30, which side? BC is half of the hypotenuse. AC means hypotenuse. Now continue for second this. So that is in triangle ABC, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square by Pythagoras theorem. Now AB we have to find, so we cannot replace BC. We know AC square by AC by 2 total square. The value of this AC will be remain AC. By substituting AC by 2 is equal to BC. Taking square or simplify, AB square plus AC square by 4 is equal to AC square by 1. By simplifying. Now multiply by multiply by 4. So this is 4AB, this is AC square, this is 4AC square. Now this AC will reduce one time from here, subtract. So 4 minus 1 is equal to 3AC square. 16. Take square root of all the things. 4 square root 2. AB square square root AB. 3 square root root 3. AC square this. So this is by simplifying. This is by taking square root. Now 2 divide by 2. So AB is equal to root 3 by 2 of AC. AB, that is the opposite to 60. Opposite to 60 is equal to root 3 by 2 of hypotenuse. So want opposite to 30, opposite to 60 and opposite to 45. These three proof in the form of theorem. In this three formula, opposite to 30 half of the hypotenuse, opposite to 60 root 3 by 2 of the hypotenuse, opposite of 45 is 1 by 2 time of hypotenuse. Three formula, three theorems are very important. In a calculation also you need this formula. So by this formula and you find out how it comes. Repeat this video again and again. Try to catch each and every point. If you are not understanding, send me your question. Some students really have started very hard work, because how I can say, because they are asking me question on WhatsApp that sir, what is the answer of this? So some of the students really are taking interest in study in holiday. So I want you all start drill work. Ask me the question, whatever you have doubts. So do the best. Thank you.